Good morning students, welcome to my channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ICSE and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. Today we are going to study about the cost of electricity consumed at home. Kilowatt hour is the unit of electricity for which we pay the bill to the electric supply department. 1 unit of electricity may cost from rupees 3 to rupees 6, which may vary from place to place and from time to time. By saying that 1 unit of electricity bill costs rupees 3, we mean that 1 kilowatt hour of electricity consumed at home costs rupees 3. Suppose 1 unit is equal to rupees 3. It means 1 kilowatt hour of electric energy consumed at home cost rupees 3. This may vary, it may be more or less, and it may vary from place to place and from time to time. Electric meter that are set up at our home also measures electric energy consumed in kilowatt hour. And we know that different electric appliance in our home consumes different amount of electric energy. That is, the power rating of each electric device is different. We pay the electric bill for all the electric energy consumed by different electrical appliances at home for a definite period of a time, say for a month. Now it is clear that electricity is sold in units. So we will convert all the electric power that are consumed by the electric devices at home into kilowatt by dividing watt by 1000. Then we will multiply kilowatt into the number of hours for which the electric appliance is used. Then we will get the electric energy consumed in kilowatt hour, which the meter reading shows. So electric energy consumed will be given on the meter in kilowatt hour. Now by knowing the cost of 1 unit of electric bill, or by knowing the cost of 1 kilowatt hour of electric bill, we will then multiply with the number of kilowatt hour which is consumed at home. It will be more clear to you by following examples. Suppose a refrigerator has a power of 350 watt. It is used for 10 hours for 30 days. Now find the electric energy consumed by this refrigerator if the cost of 1 unit is rupees 340. The cost of 1 unit is rupees 340. Cost of 1 unit means cost of 1 kilowatt hour is equal to rupees 340. Now power is given in watt, 350 watt. So power in kilowatt will be, first we will convert power into kilowatt. 350 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.35 kilowatt. And it is used for 10 hours. What will be the time? It is used for 10 hours and for 30 days. So number of hours will be 10 into 30 is equal to 300 hours. So electric energy consumed, to convert it into kilowatt hour, electric energy consumed will be power into time is equal to 0.35 into 300 hours. This will give the amount of electric energy consumed in kilowatt hour. This will be 105 kilowatt hour. So this is the amount of electric energy consumed by a refrigerator. Now we will find the cost of using this refrigerator if the cost of 1 unit is rupees 340. So 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour cost rupees 3 and 40 paisa. Rupees 3 and 40 paisa. So cost of how many unit? 105 unit. So cost of 105 unit will be 105 into rupees 3.40 is equal to 357. is equal to rupees 357. So the cost of using this refrigerator of power 350 watt and for using it for 10 hours and for 30 days will consume energy of 105 kilowatt hour, and the cost of it will be rupees 357. This will be the cost of the refrigerator if we use it. Number 2, the power rating of the bulb is 100 watt, 200 volt. Find the resistance of this bulb. So we know P is equal to V squared by R, formula number 3, or R or resistance of the bulb will be calculated V squared by P. Here V is 200 volt. So 200 into 200 divided by power. Power is 100 watt is equal to 400 ohm. Thus the resistance of this bulb is 400 ohm. Now 5 such bulbs are used for 4 hours a day. 5 such bulbs. This is the one bulb, and 5 such bulbs are used for 4 hours a day. So what will be the electric energy consumed in second case? Now first we will convert this watt into kilowatt. So the power of one bulb is 100 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.1 kilowatt, and 5 such bulbs are used. How many bulbs? 5. So 0.1 into 5 is equal to 0.5 kilowatt. So total power consumed by 5 bulbs will be 0.5 kilowatt, and the bulbs are used for 4 hours. So time is equal to 4 hours. Now energy consumed by 5 such bulbs will be P into T, that is 0.5 kilowatt into 4 hours is equal to 2 kilowatt hour. This is the energy. 2 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed by 5 such bulbs when used for 4 hours. Now if the cost of 1 unit is rupees 4, that is 4 rupees 60 paisa. The cost of 1 unit is 4 rupees 60 paisa. So what will be the cost of 5 such bulbs? So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 4 rupees 60 paisa. So 2 kilowatt hour. 2 kilowatt hour or 2 unit is same. 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. You must remember this. 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, because electric energy is measured in kilowatt hour at our homes by the electric meter that are set up. So 2 unit means 2 kilowatt hour. Here 2 kilowatt hour of electric energy was used by 5 bulbs. So rupees 9.20. So rupees 9 and 20 paisa. Now the third word problem. A heater draws current of 10 ampere from 220 volt and is used for 5 hours. Used for 5 hours for 30 days. Find the electric energy consumed by it, and the cost of 1 unit is given is equal to rupees 5 and 20 paisa. So first of all we will find the power of the electric heater. Power is equal to, we know, 10 ampere current is given and voltage is given. So we will apply formula number 1. P is equal to V into I. V is equal to 220 volt into 10 is equal to 2200 watt. So this is the power. If we convert it into kilowatt, then is equal to 2.2 kilowatt. So this is the power of the electric heater. Now it is used for 5 hours and for 30 days. So total time will be 5 into 30. 5 hours each day and for 30 days. So total hours will be 150 hours. Now energy consumed will be P into T. P we have got 2.2 into 150 hours is equal to 330 kilowatt hour. This is the electric energy consumed by the heater if it is used for 5 hours a day and for 30 days. So energy consumed is 330 kilowatt hour. Now the cost of 1 unit is given rupees 5 and 20 paisa. So 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour costs rupees 5 and 20 paisa. So the cost of 330 unit or 330 kilowatt hour will be 330 into, we will multiply it with 5.20, we will get rupees, that is 1716 rupees. So by using a heater which draws a current of 10 ampere and applied to 220 volt, will draw a power of 2.2 kilowatt and will consume energy of 330 kilowatt hour, and the cost of 1 unit is rupees 5 and 20 paisa, then it will cost 1716 rupees. Now 2 meter box are given. A boy noted a meter reading on Sunday at 8 am and again on Monday at 8 am. The meter reading was so first question is, which one was the meter reading on Sunday? So this one is less than this one. So on Sunday the meter reading was 42919. And what is the meter reading on Monday? Monday will be 42935. The boy noted the meter reading of 42919 on Sunday 8 am and on Monday 8 am he noted the meter reading was 42935. So what is the difference in the unit? We will find the difference now. 42935 minus 42919 is equal to 16. So the difference in meter reading is 16 unit. Now what is the time interval? Time interval between Sunday's reading and Monday's reading is 24 hours, because on Sunday 8 am the meter reading was 42919 and on Monday 8 am the meter reading was 42935. So time interval will be 24 hours. Now if the cost of 1 unit is rupees 5, so what is the cost of the unit that was used in 24 hours? 1 unit cost rupees 5 and number of unit used here is 16 units. In 24 hours gap 16 unit of electricity was used. So the cost of 16 unit will be 16 into 5 is equal to rupees 80. Thus the cost of 16 unit in 1 day will cost rupees 80. Now in next problem a circuit diagram is given in which a lamp is put which consumes 6 volt and the current drawn by the lamp is 3 ampere. First question, find the resistance of the lamp. So resistance of the lamp will be, first we have to find the power. P is equal to V into I, formula number 1. V is given and ampere current is given. So 6 into 3 is equal to 18 watt. Thus the power of this lamp will be 18 watt. Now we have to find the resistance. We know P is equal to V squared by R. P is equal to V squared by R. So power is 18 watt or R is equal to V squared by P. We will put 6 into 6 because voltage is 6 and power is equal to 18 watt. Thus is equal to 2 ohm. So resistance of this lamp will be 2 ohm. Here the resistance of this lamp will be 2 ohm when it is applied on 6 volt and it draws a current of 3 ampere. Find the cost of using this lamp if it is used for 20 hours for 30 days. This lamp is used for 20 hours for 30 days. Total time will be 20 into 30 is equal to 600 hours. This lamp is used for 600 hours and hour we have calculated is equal to 18 watt. We will convert it into kilowatt. 18 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.018 kilowatt. Now hours is given 600 hours. So energy consumed by this lamp will be power into time. Power is 0.018 kilowatt into hour is, so energy consumed by it will be 10.8 kilowatt hour. Thus the energy consumed by this lamp is 10.8 kilowatt hour. Now we have to find the cost of this if 1 unit cost rupees 3. Rupees 3 is equal to 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour. Thus we will say 1 kilowatt hour is equal to rupees 3 or 10.8 kilowatt hour will be 3 into 10.8 is equal to 34 rupees 32 and 40 paisa. Thus the cost of this lamp when it is used for 20 hours and for 30 days will cost rupees 32 and 40 paisa. Now last question is a tricky question. You have to understand it first properly and then calculate. The question is, in which of the following cases more electric energy will be consumed per hour? In first case, 1 ampere of current flows through 300 ohm resistance, and in second case 2 ampere of current flows through 100 ohm resistance. Now it is asked in which case more electric energy will be consumed. So first we have to find the power. In first case, power is equal to I square R. I is 1 ampere. 1 into 1 into R. R is 300 ohm. So 300 watt of energy is consumed in first case. Now if we convert it into kilowatt, we will divide it by 1000 is equal to 0.3 kilowatt. So in first case 0.3 kilowatt will be the power when current is 1 ampere and resistance is 300 ohm. Now in second case power is equal to I squared R. Second case current is 2 ampere. 2 into 2 into R is 100 ohm is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400 watt. If we convert it into kilowatt, then we will divide 400 by 1000 is equal to 0.4 kilowatt. Now this is the power 0.4 kilowatt in second case, and both these are used for 1 hour. So what will be the energy consumed? Energy consumed will be P into T. Power is 0.3 kilowatt into 1 hour is equal to 0.3 kilowatt hour. So energy consumed in first case is 0.3 kilowatt hour. Second case, energy will be power into time is equal to, here power is 0.4 kilowatt and time is 1 hour. In both the cases it is used for per hour. The question is for per hour, so the time is 1 hour, so it is 0.4 kilowatt hour. Thus energy consumed in second case is 0.4 kilowatt hour. So in second case more energy will be consumed. Effect produced by electric current. Electric current produces 3 important effects. First of all, heating effect. Second, magnetic effect. And third, chemical effect. So electric current produces these 3 important effects. Magnetic effect we will study in the next chapter. Chemical effect we will study in higher classes, and in our next class we will study about the heating effect of current. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, Please comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.